guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I am going to show you how to make grape, cucumber, English pears, orange and kiwi natural healthy juice, and I'm about to start. I'm just washing my grape. I'll put my grapes straight into my blender. I'm going to wash my cucumber. I'm just gonna cut my cucumber in small pieces. And I'm just going to put it straight into my blender. Just washing my pears. These are English pears. They're lovely fruits. They're very nice and they're very juicy. I'm going to simply remove the skin from my pears. Put my pear into. Just removing the seeds from the pear. I'm just going to put it straight into my blender. And I'm going to simply remove the skin from my kiwi. I have my kiwi rinse. straight in my blender. And then orange. Cut my orange in 2 halves. I'm using 2 old oranges. I've just cut them in 2 halves. I'm going to squeeze them straight into my blender. Oh, these oranges are full of juice. Lots of vitamin C. I'm just going to give my hand a rinse. And I'm going to use some of this honey. And I'm going to put it in the blender with my fruits to help bring the flavors out in my juice. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of honey. Wow. Wow. And I'm going to give rinse. I'm going to put my lid on. I'm going to switch my blender on. And I'm going to turn my blender on. I don't need to use any water in this fruit. It's already got make its own juice. Plus I've put some orange juice in it. So I didn't have to put any water in this juice. Just in case you're wondering why I didn't put any water in it. It's because, like I said, I've juiced the orange and this fruit has got a lot of juice. So this juice didn't need any water. And it's all blend. Looking very good. It's ready to strain. Rinse my strainer. Wow, this is looking really good. Really, really good. And I'm just juicing my juice. Wow, it's coming out really nicely. Very nicely. Yeah, this fruit has got a lot of, it's very juicy, plus the orange, I've squeezed the orange in, so I did not need to add any water to this juice. It's got its own juice. I'm just gonna give this a little bit of water to make sure I get everything out. gonna strain it one more time to make sure there's no bits left in this juice. Cheers. Wow. 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 This is what your juice is supposed to look like. Your juice not supposed to be like water. Your juice is supposed to be exactly this way. In that way you get all the benefits from the fruits. All the vitamins, the minerals, vitamin C, vitamin B. It's all right here. This juice will give you a lot of energy. Once you start drinking all these juices, you'll never feel tired. Don't matter how busy your lifestyle are, you'll never feel tired, because I don't feel tired and I'm living a very busy lifestyle. But I've never feel tired because I'm drinking my healthy juice and I'm getting a lot of energy from all these juices. So you need to do the same thing like what I'm doing. I'm just mixing it to make sure it's all combined together. So you really need to look after yourself and live a very healthy lifestyle. So I'm just about to pour this juice over ice. Just a bit of ice, but I'm going to pour it over ice. I'm just going to give it a bit of taste. Yeah. So I'm going to taste this juice now and then I'll tell you guys what I think about this juice. Cheers to you guys. Wow. Absolutely delicious. You can tell just by the looks of the juice. You can tell that it's healthy. It's not runny. It's just really thick and nice. Not too thick. And you can taste all the fruits combined together. And it's absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious, you know. Just continue to watch my videos and just continue to make all the juices and enjoy them and live a healthy and happy lifestyle. So if you like my juice, please give it a thumbs up, like and share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'm out. Bye.